Hi guys, my name is Jenna and I am from the Bridgewater Commons Sephora in New Jersey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this full coverage dewy complexion, so if you want to stick around and watch me get this glowy look perfect for any occasion, keep on watching. So I've already prepped my skin before beginning my makeup to enhance its natural glow, and also I've applied my eye makeup, so today we're just going to be focusing on our complexion. For primer, I'll be using Becca's First Light Priming Face Filter Primer, applying it with clean hands. I love this primer because the lavender pearl complex will brighten and also minimize the look of pores. Next, I'll be using one of my favorite products, the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Longwear Foundation in 230 Buff Warm. I'll be going in with my beauty blender to make sure that the product really gets melted into my skin. The full coverage foundation is 24-hour wear, so it will hold up even through the longest of days. When applying my complexion products, I like to start in the center of my face because I find that that's where I personally need the most coverage, and then I work the rest out with my beauty blender, making sure it's evenly applied to my entire face. Now I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chantilly. I like to use a lighter concealer than my complexion because I find that it brightens up my under eyes and allows me to create contours in my face. I'm also using my beauty blender to apply this. Like I said before, I find that using a beauty blender helps melt your complexion products into your skin a little bit better. I added the concealer to underneath my eyes, my jawline, in between my brows, and down the bridge of my nose to further contour my face. And then I just worked that product in with my beauty blender. Now to set our makeup, you'll notice I'll be using two different powders. I'm starting with the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in Translucent Light with my damp beauty blender to set underneath my eyes. The talc-free powder allows you to get a creaseless under eye without the fear of flashback. For the rest of my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow in Translucent with Sephora Collection Pro Brush number 50 to set my foundation while keeping the luminous finish to my skin. Time for my favorite step, bronzer. I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer Coconut Perfect Tan in Tantastic and my Sephora Collection Pro Brush number 79. I'm adding some color to my face by placing the product in a 3 shape, which goes from my temples to my cheekbones and then underneath my jawline. Finally, time to add our finishing touches. I'm taking my Ciate London Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm in Transparent to add a natural yet glowy accent. I'm placing it on the top of my cheekbones, above my eyebrow, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my Cupid's bow. You can start by applying the product directly to your face, but I always like to go in with my finger and melt the product in a little bit more. I find that it looks a little bit more natural and blends perfectly into your foundation. For this look in particular, I like using a cream highlight like this because it gives you that dewy glow without necessarily having a glitter highlight. Last but certainly not least, to keep all of our makeup in place and add a luminous glow, I am using my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So there you have it. This is the finished look. I hope you like how it turned out and learned some tips and tricks in the process. If you want to see more content like this, definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you back soon. Bye!